learn how to make insanely delicious popcorn. Hi, I'm Virginia and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best popcorn you have ever had in your life. Popcorn has been a religion in my family since the day one I was born, and I found out how to make better popcorn than the movie theaters. Let's get going. Secret ingredient, I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're not going to believe it, but don't go away. You got to watch to the end of the video because this is what makes the difference right here under this cup. I'll show you. Here you go. You have to start with the right tools. I've used all kinds of different popcorn poppers, everything from air pop to microwave popcorn, these fancy rubber things you put in the microwave, regular pans on the stove, irons, everything. I have tried it all, believe me. This is the best thing ever for popping popcorn. It's a whirly pop, and I'll put a link below so you can get yourself one. I think we paid about $20, $25 for it at Walmart, so it's very affordable, and this is an essential kitchen tool. What makes it so special is, see this handle right there? It turns that inside. So you can coat all the kernels perfectly with the oil so they're sure to pop. I don't get more than 15 unpopped kernels here every time I pop popcorn. I'm not buying the expensive stuff either. You can get just the regular cheap bag grocery store brand. It doesn't matter. What makes the difference is this thing right here. Just about medium. I love cooking with gas. All right, y'all, I'm from the South. You gotta have bacon grease. We're gonna start with 3 tablespoons of bacon grease. And don't measure anything. 1, that's probably enough right there. Probably enough. I've used all kinds of different oils, everything. Bacon grease is absolutely the best thing to give your popcorn a lot of flavor. 1/2 cup of popcorn, put the lid on, spin it around. Yeah, Chalula, chili garlic. I don't like too spicy hot stuff, but I do like a little flavor in my food, and I can handle some heat. Your popcorn is not gonna be hot. My parents do not like hot food. They do not like spicy food. This does not make your popcorn hot spicy. Children can eat this. Your elderly family and friends can eat this. It's not hot, it's flavorful, and it's fantastic. So let's put in about that much, about I don't know, 2 tablespoons, something like that, 2 teaspoons. Try it. Here's another trick. I like to put popcorn salt in before it pops. A little bit there, don't put too much. You don't need a whole lot. And my lid is down, and I'm stirring. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be yummy. It's gonna be good. And let me tell you, all the kernels pop, very few don't. I've had a lot of problems with that, using different methods of popping my corn. But this is fantastic. Just give it a few spins, and in about 2 minutes, this all pops almost simultaneously. It's starting to pop, and don't forget, here's the secret ingredient. You're not gonna believe it. Music to my ears. The heat is off. It's finished popping. That's what's great about gas. The heat's off. The stirring keeps it from burning, so that's great. Next thing we do, open it up. Open it in. Did you see any kernels fall out? No. That's because of this thing. Went out and get you one. Okay, you ready, guys? I would never have thought that I would ever eat this stuff, especially on popcorn. Nutritional yeast. Yes, if you like a cheesy, buttery flavor, it's not too cheesy, just mildly. It's really good. And I put about that much on. And let me tell you, this stuff is fantastic. Just make sure I put enough salt on. It's so good. My husband loves this. I love it. Everybody loves it. So let me review your ingredients. I like the chili lime sauce, and I'll put maybe about a tablespoon and a half. Experiment. You're not gonna put too much or too little, it's good. Put the nutritional yeast on at the end. Get your popcorn salt in it before it pops. And of course you can add some later. And then your bacon grease, like 3 tablespoons of bacon grease, and bingo, best popcorn in the world. And I love movie theater popcorn, but if I had a choice between the movie theater popcorn and this, I'd take this every time. And I love butter. I love that, get the extra butter and yummy popcorn, and it smells so good. But this is better than they make it to movie theaters. So I hope your family enjoys it. Thanks for watching.